Welcome back. I'm Raquel Schroeder, broker and owner of East Park Realty, located in the beautiful and sunny Central Florida. To make sure you're in the know on the latest water properties in Central Florida, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. Today, I present to you one of our newest properties in arguably one of the best neighborhoods in Central Florida, North Shore on Lake Lizzie. (6427) Shoreline Drive is a very BRYANT custom-built pool home on over half an acre. Entertain friends and family with your enclosed saltwater pool, spa, and lanai year-round. As you enter the front door of this lovely 4-bedroom, 3-bath home, enjoy the natural landscaping around the home and the beautiful views of Lake Lizzie from your front porch.